Okay, so this is a random problem that only happens usually when installing a new clean install of Windows 10. So if you press the Windows key, nothing happens. As you can see, nothing happens. So what you want to do if you're trying to restart or shut down the computer, just go to the desktop and then press Alt F4, and here you can see now you can update and shut down or update and restart. The problem is I think it updates like the video card, and then for some reason the start menu gets screwed up. Alright, so F4, Alt F4, sorry, click the desktop, Alt F4, and then you can shut down or restart. So once you restart or shut down and start back up after the update, it should fix that problem. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Again, this only works for if it's like a clean install updates, not if something screwed up your start menu. All right, thanks for watching. See y'all later. Bye.